What's going on, brother?
Just waiting for you.
What are we whipping? The FRS or the bike?
FRS.
I understand.
And then the S2K.
I'm gonna grab the S2K, yeah? Yeah? Where's my keys at?
And are you gonna close the garage door?
I can't find my keys. You like that, Mama? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's actually the same day that we painted all the parts. I went home, edited that video, got it up on the channel, and we're gonna go check them out now. Bobby came with me. We also came to drop off the FRS. We're gonna do a little bit of work on the S2K real quick, and then it smells like paint in here still. And then we're gonna go whip the S2K around. Sick. You like all the dirt in this shit? You see all that? Mm-hmm. That's so annoying, huh? Mm-hmm. Doesn't really matter because it'll be sanded out in 2 seconds, but still just a straight pain in the ass. All right, I want to see this color outside. See how sick it turned out.
Joey's knocking on shit.
I think it's still tacky. It's been a couple hours. It's a little bit tacky still. I just want to see it out in the sun. It's really sparkly.
Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty.
It's called Obsidian Black Pearl by Subaru.
Can you tilt it up a little bit? Like, yeah, that way. Pretty.
Damn, I really need a booth now. That looks like ass with all that dirt.
Maybe it'll sand right out.
All right, you want to hold this real quick?
Not really.
The parts are still tacky. Like, if I held on it with my fingers, it would leave an imprint. So I'm gonna leave them in the shop overnight. Tomorrow I'm gonna put them out in the sun, let them bake, let them fully harden all the way, and then I'm gonna sand them out, make them look perfect. Even though we're probably gonna wrap over it anyway, I still want to mint because I want to upgrade my skills to be like Bobby's dad. He's my biggest inspiration. That is so much dirt. Holy shit. It laid out so flat though. The paint. Damn, I'm getting better. Slowly but surely. It looks like someone came in here and just dumped dirt on it.
I did.
Okay, so real quick, we're gonna do, I was gonna put new tires on the S2K, but we're running out of time, running out of daylight, and we wanna go cruise that car. Well, it's still light out and before it snows. It's gonna snow soon. So there's two things we need to do on it real quick. Number one, watch this.
Oh my gosh.
Why the hell does the trunk pop like that? First mod, we have a red badge. I'm gonna do the tires later. I'll do them tonight or tomorrow. Is that fine?
Tomorrow is doable.
Why not tonight?
Because, honey, we're gonna go see Forest.
I've had this badge for a minute, and this thing's gonna look so sick on this car. Oh, that's clean.
Very.
That's so much better than all chrome. All right, that's the first thing. Second thing, these damn things. These are the little window seals right here. I tried to, look how shitty those look. I tried to wrap them because they were all fucked up. Don't they look like shit?
I can't really see that.
I'll show you. Look how fucked up they are.
Oh yeah.
Because this is like rubber and it's supposed to be bendable, so it just got all messed up. So I bought new ones. They're freaking expensive. Like over like $100 per side. It's so stupid. It's a Honda, it should be cheap. Pretty sick mod, huh?
Okay.
I should probably do that.
Are those even right?
These? Yeah, they're OEM Honda.
Baby, no need to look at me like that. I
Can you
believe
tell?
Yes.
I'll show you the difference.
Never thought I'd see you be a Honda boy, no way.
Me either. Why can't I freaking open this damn thing? A little bit better.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, it is brand new.
Okay, baby.
Should I put it on? I also need to speak about a predicament that we have with the STI. Do you want to tell them the predicament? Or should I explain it? I
Maybe.
think you should explain
No,
it.
no, 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 no.
Watch you step on it and bend it. Ooh, you would be in the coffin. It's just little stuff like this that really just sets the build apart. We got both new window moldings on. If anyone needs these old ones, they're not in very good shape underneath the vinyl wrap, but if you want them, let me know. I'll ship them out to you. All right, so the weird predicament that we have with the STI. I was in a hurry to get all of this paintwork done so we can move on with the vinyl wrapping. We're supposed to wrap the bumper, both bumpers, and the rest of the wide body panels. But the wrap that this car has on it is tech wrap. There's nobody in the United States that I'm aware of that has the satin chrome red in stock. So it's supposed to come from China, which might take up to 3 weeks for it to show up. So I might just say screw it and paint the whole car. I don't know yet though.
You got like white.
Bobby, watch the paint, please. Thank you. Don't scratch my paint. Well, yeah, I saw your hand gouging it. What the hell is all that? That is overspray. How did I get overspray on the inside of my car? I'm gonna wipe off. But if I paint the car, I don't want to do it black. So that means we'd have to do the jams and the engine bay as well. But I don't know what color to do it. So that's our current predicament. Huh, Bobby?
I'm thinking white.
What?
We both kind of want it to be white.
Yes. Is white hard to paint?
No.
How do you know?
Because I'm the paint god's daughter.
How did I get overspray on the inside of my car? I was right there, but on the outside. I must have already been there. So with that being said, drop a comment down in the comment section below. If we paint the car, which I don't know if we're going to, I just don't want to wait forever for the wrap. I would rather go that route because it'd be much quicker for me to wrap it. But if we were to paint it, what color should we do? White, series gray, hyper blue. We could do electric blue. Should we do an Evo? We should do an Evo color on the Subi. Wouldn't that be cool?
That would be nice.
What about that one blue that you always see in like?
I think that's more of an Evo color.
I understand.
I'll do some research and see if it'd look good.
We're gonna go rip the S2K. Let's dip.
You're gonna want to go up a little bit further.